Hey everyone, I'm Teacher Casey and welcome to ESL with the Gypsy Soul. I'm so happy to have you here. I normally share on my channel things about teaching online, and different companies. I work for 5 different companies right now. How crazy is that? It is crazy, but I don't know. It's fun though. It's like addicting, I guess. I don't know. Anyways, today I'm going to share with you all about the Good Fortune box. So this is a subscription box for teachers specifically. You could be an online teacher, you could be an teacher, or just any kind of teacher. This is for teachers. So how cool! Really fun. I started getting these boxes about 2 months ago, so this is my third box. And it's so exciting. Every month they have different themes. So far I've seen the butterfly theme, and last month they had the dragon boat theme. And then this month, let's open it up and see what we have here. Okay, here we have it. I feel like I'm playing a guitar or something. I'm like doing a chord. I don't know. Anyways, so this month it's the rise and shine theme. So like coffee and tea, I know some people like both, some people like either one. So exciting! Yay! All right, let's jump on in. So first is cute shirts. Wow, I like the color. It's pink. Yay! It says, if you are going to rise, you might as well shine. Ah, have fun! Yay! That is cute. This is the t-shirt. Let's celebrate being awake and owning it while everyone else is sleeping. Because online teachers, especially, definitely wake up very early. Many of us do. And says, you all are amazing teachers, and your students appreciate you being there for them, even if you're still in your pajamas, which they probably don't even realize you're in your pajamas. So cool. I love this shirt. Again, let's have a look. Ooh, have a look at that. Nice shirt. Yes. I'm excited for that one. And then next on the list is this headphone stand. It says, keep your teaching space organized with this one-of-a-kind solution. Just assemble the feet on the bottom and rest the top of your headphones in the sun. Feeling creative? Stain or put your stand to match your classroom theme. Be sure to show us a picture. Okay, and this is just to show you texanwoodcrafts.com if you're interested. It's so cute. I think they did an amazing job. I've never seen a headphone stand like this before. It's so cute. So let's see. Ta-da! Look at that! Rise and shine. Right, and then, you know what? I think later, eventually, I'm going to paint this at my mom's. But let me see. Let's see how it works. So, wow, that is amazing. Check it out. So cool. I love this. This is an amazing addition. Look at that. I'm totally going to use that every day now. And it's so cute just on its own. You don't have to. Look at it. Oh, like it's cute just on its own without even knowing that it's a headphone stand. Such a cute, creative idea. Thank you, TexanWoodcrafts.com. Next on the list is a pop socket, which I definitely need because one of the companies I work for is Telfish, and you teach on your phone or iPad, but I teach on my phone. And so I definitely need a pop socket so I can have it standing up. Yes, very cute. I love it. And it's the fortune cookie for the Good Fortune Company. How cute. Oh, snap. So it says, pop one of these cool tools onto the back of your whiteboard, phone, or other props that are difficult to hold. Fun idea, the circle can also rest in the sun, cut out of your headphone stand. Oh goodness, it can, I can see, it's like a puzzle. I'm holding it in so it doesn't fall just because I'm holding it up. So, but look at that. Wow, that's amazing. So awesome. The coffee sugar scrub. Let me get it out here. Okay, so, ooh, you can smell it already. Oh, it smells amazing. Rise and shine. Oh, cute. Okay, so this is add exfoliation to your morning routine with this fragrant sugar scrub. Try it on your face or hands, but do not ingest. That's good because it smells so good that one might want to ingest it. I actually thought about it, but I wouldn't do it. It would smell so good. but we can have a look. Ooh, check that out. Wow. Oh, it smells delectable. It truly does. Amazing. That's gonna be like heaven on my face. I'm excited for that. By the way, do you like to drink coffee or tea? Let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear what you have to say. I can do both. If I do coffee, it has to have so much flavoring, like a lot of caramel, a lot of something in there because I can't do it on its own. But it smells so good. I would, if that was like a coffee flavor, I would drink that up. And it's sugar scrub, so it's got sugar in there. Yeah. But I do like tea. I love morning tea, especially if it's like really cold outside. Tea is amazing. So there you go. Okay, the next one is Cafe Joe Coffee Bite. Jumpstart your classes with an energy-boosting combination of 100% real Arabica coffee and chocolate. If you're craving a little caffeine, enjoy a coffee bite or two. If you're craving a little caffeine, enjoy a coffee bite or two. 2 bites equals 1 serving of espresso. Wow, such power in those little things. Espresso shot. So I think there are 2 in here. It feels like there are probably, oh, maybe a little more. Yeah, so cool though. So 2 equals 1 espresso shot. 1 shot of espresso. I should know this. I used to work in a cafe. I would make coffee drinks all the time, so I knew how to get a little bit fancy sometimes. Alright, and the next is this kanji recipe card. Ooh, you can see on the back. There we go. Now it says it's Chinese rice porridge. Wow, that's cool. So, kanji recipe card. Start your morning like our students in China. This classic Chinese breakfast is a savory rice porridge. Ooh, that is super easy to make. Enjoy the basic version of this popular dish or dress it up with all your favorite toppings. Wow, nice. And it says 4 servings. So some things you need are rice. Done. Rice is like my favorite thing ever. 6 cups of broth, 2 cups of water, 1 teaspoon salt. Simple, right? Simple ingredients. A lot of people have that just hanging out in the house, especially water. Usually that's around. Okay, and then of course, we have the fortune cookie. Yes! Alright, let's see what the fortune says this month. Whatever makes you feel the sun from the inside out, chase that. So wonderful. I love that. Good to follow your dreams and do whatever makes you feel amazing. Chase your dreams. Because if you ever stop, then that's hard. I've stopped before, but I started again recently, in the past several months. I started, and that's why I have the YouTube channel. So much is going on. So awesome. Yes. So follow your dreams, make it happen, and you'll do so many amazing things in your life. I know it. A nice bonus. Look at that. It says, if you're going to rise, you might as well shine. Like the shirt. So cute. And it says, student, strengths, struggles, and notes. Wow, that's fun. What a fun little addition and surprise. It's a great bonus. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, Pixelation Box Girls. Sam and Rachel, you ladies are amazing as always. You nailed it. Okay, and then it says featured teacher is Dana Johnson, ESL Boutique. Oh, yes, she has some amazing things. So it says she's created a customized classroom notepad for all the subscribers this month. Oh, that's the yes, the notepad. Dana Johnson. Thank you, Dana. So cute. Dana? Oh, sorry. Thank you so much. Check out her other designs and collections at www.theeslboutique.com. Don't forget to use the code ESLB for $5 off any order of $25 or more. Offer is good until 8/1. Wow, that's soon. So do it if you see this before 8/1. If not, then sorry. But alright. And then another featured teacher is Angie Pennypacker, Creative Crafts by Anne. So if you're on the winning Dragon Boat team, because they have fun like winning teams, then you have a prize pack for this box that includes an exclusive glitter star, sun gift, and I didn't participate, so I didn't win. But that's cool. So they have a little bonus if you win. Very cool. Nice. Amazing. So that is the Good Fortune box, and I hope you enjoyed opening it with me. I really enjoyed it. If you're interested in the Good Fortune box, then I will leave a link below, and you can get $5 off as long as you are with Good Fortune box. So you can get $5 off per month if you use my name in all caps, Casey. So I will put that below, just so you know, and I will have the link there too, just so you have it. And I think I am off to put some fun Rise and Shine on my face because it needs a little shine in this life. Okay, thank you all so much for watching. I will catch you on the next one. Have a good day. Bye.
And don't forget to check out my other social media account.